अलजेब्रा के किसी भी सम्स को सॉल्व करने से पहले ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि व्हाट इज़ दैट एक्चुअली ईच एंड एवरी फैक्टर्स आर. So let's start with the explanations of the given algebra. First, term. What is term? The given algebra has the term 7x plus 4x square minus 5y cube plus 7z raised to 8. Here there is a 7 have no sign, so we can give it positive. Always there is a sign of positive when there is a sign is not given. So we call it as a term. Coefficient. What is coefficients? कोएफिशिएंट्स को जानने से पहले हमें वेरिएबल को समझना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज वेरिएबल? तो ऑब्जर्विंग अल्फ़ाबेट्स आर ऑल वेरिएबल्स. एक्स, एक्स स्क्वायर, वाई क्यूब, जेड 8, that all are variable. Here the variable are actually x, y and z. But if there is a power with theirs, that is also considered as a variable in multiplication forms of whatever the power is given. What is coefficients? The connected number with that particular variable is coefficients. For x the coefficient is 7. For x square the coefficient is 4. For y cube coefficient is 5. And for z raised to 8 coefficient is 7. What is the constant? I have attached here one more number, that plus 9 without any variables. So according to the term, 9 is a term. Here coefficients, 9 has no variable, so 9 is not a coefficient here, and there is no variable in 9. So there is no variable in 9, therefore 9 is a constant. If there is any number which I write equal to, suppose whatever the number is 145, so here 145 is also work as a constant. Operator. The following sign you can observe that first is positive, then plus, then minus, plus, etc. are called operators. Sign between coefficients and variable. Suppose the term is 7x. So what is the sign between the coefficients and variable? That will be 7 multiplied by x. The same for x, 4x square. The 4 multiplied by x square. 5y raised to 3, you can say 5y cube. 5y cube, 5 multiply y cube. Then last 7z8 raised to 8, that 7 multiply z raised to 8. Now here that x is only x, but the x square has also one more power with x, that 4 multiply x, 5 multiply y multiply y multiply y, and 7 multiply by z, it's multiply by z multiply by z, that's the 8 times continuously. So this is the sign between the coefficients and variable, that is the multiply, which cannot observing while we are writing. जब हम 7x लिखते हैं ना, तब यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई की साइन नहीं होती है, बट देयर इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन बिटवीन द कोएफिशिएंट्स एंड वेरिएबल. Polynomial. What is polynomial? That observing algebraic expression is a polynomial. 7 polynomials. That above algebraic expression, the whole algebraic expressions we can say is that it is a polynomial. अगर ये algebraic expressions polynomial है तो वो नॉन पोलिनोमियल नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, अब एक ही एग्जाम्पल में पोलिनोमियल्स और नॉन पोलिनोमियल्स दोनों का एग्जाम्पल्स नहीं दे सकते. सो दिस इज द पोलिनोमियल्स and there is some more examples regarding non polynomials.